Go,
Holy
touch the pallet. Go touch the
I'd
pallet.
rather not.
Holy.
They have the Eskimo go though.
Oh shit, he just put a lighter in there.
Is that my lighter? Is it a Red Sox one?
Not anymore, now it's a white one.
Oh, God damn it, Anthony. Getting way back.
You take your fucking sweater off and your shirt.
Oh shit.
Adam, don't do it. It's not worth it. Wait, Adam, I need to. No, Adam, hold on. I need a comparison of height there. No, don't do it. You're fair.
Yeah, you will.
Really bad.
Tell her I'm Jewish. I want to get out. It's too much to look at. Take your shirt off.
I'm going to.
It's
burning my back.
So loud.
I should have taken my shirt off.
Getting this on video.
It's like a sunburn. It's like a cheese.
No, it's like a fire burn. It hurts.
It's like standing in an oven.
It hurts. I got you in there.
You know, your family must be pretty good at that, huh? Standing in ovens. No, there's one more. Oh, okay. Stop yelling.
Oh, fuck.
No, that's not.
Dude, this thing is raging.
That's the last one on.
I gotta take my glasses.
Last one. Might as well.
Just do it.
Dude,
One more fucking
this is an awful
I
idea.
was told to do this.
This is an awful idea. You never told me to do something.
Oh, there's another pallet.
Christ.
Just throw the tarp on. He's been telling me to throw the tarp on for a while.
Oh shit. Get it quick. No. Epic fail. Let me just run away from that. Yeah, we don't want the beer boiling. Don't worry. Wow.
It all happened.
This shit doesn't just happen. Trust me.
No, trust me. The cop wouldn't believe it happened. The cop yes. No. I'd rather not stop.
Brian, you got a hose handy, right?
So hot.
Brian,
Yes.
you got a hose handy, right?
No, it's not on.
Oh, well, it's ready to use in the event,
When it was up by the before, I felt nothing over. By not on, you mean if I'm ready to use, you mean there's no water in it.
I
Yeah.
was like,
Oh.
right? Like, turn on.
Don't worry, there's some kind of liquid in my car. Like water.
no, there's a hose right.
Don't
Okay.
sit on it.
I won't reach over here.
I got this one.
Won't reach over here.
See,
But the hose
trying to
ready.
keep it.
I might have a wind up in the back of my Jeep, I'm not sure.